friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Twisted Bobette from Dandy's World. So first we're going to get started with the eyes. On the left hand side we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. In the middle of that we're going to replicate that, drawing in another circle. And now again, let's move in towards the middle, drawing in a smaller circle. On the top, we're going to draw in two curved lines that come up. And then we'll do the same thing as we come down on a diagonal. Now coming over to the right of this, we're going to start by drawing in the head. So to the right, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes down. Again, we're going to bring this diagonal line up and then back across towards the right. And then from that point, we're going to bring another diagonal line that comes up. And then just a smaller diagonal line coming out on the side. And then from here, we're just going to curve this line around and then in, closing off the side of the head. Now moving over on the left, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line that comes in towards our eye. And then we're going to, from that point, bring this line up towards the top. From here, we're going to bring another diagonal line that comes in and then back up. And then on the left-hand side, drawing in another diagonal line coming out. And then lastly, from that corner, just drawing in a small diagonal line coming up. Again, we're going to close off the side of the head now. So we're going to curve this line around. And then bringing that in, ending that at the same height. And then now in the center for the mouth, we're just going to draw in a nice big letter U. In the center here, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes across. To the right of that, we're going to draw this diagonal line coming up. And then we're going to start from that point, bringing this back down, creating a triangle. Now as we come in towards the top, we're going to draw in a curved line, arching that down for the bottom of the star. And then on the top, we're going to curve this line out. And then we'll do the same on the bottom, arching this line out and then down in the corner. On both sides now, from that point, we're going to curve this line up and across. From that point now, we're going to curve this line back around and then up. Now let's draw in the body. So starting on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line up and then in. And then we'll do the same on the left. From that point on each side, we're going to curve this line back in towards the middle, just leaving a gap in the center. And then now we're going to close this off with another curved line. Moving up above, we're going to curve this line across. Again, arching that line up. We're going to draw in a nice big curved line now, bringing that over towards the left-hand side. And then we're going to curve this line across again. And now on the side, we're just going to arch this line in towards the top. Now we're going to draw in some spikes coming out. So we're going to draw in a curved line, arching this in. We're going to bring that around again. Moving down, let's replicate that. And then again, one more time, bringing that up. And then we're just going to close this off with two diagonal lines, creating a triangle. Now let's move across on the right. We're going to curve this line in. Again, from that point, curving this line down. Curving this line around and then in. And then again, one last time. And then again, just two diagonal lines joining at a point. Now on the side, arching this line around and then in. Continuing this underneath, curving this line up towards the center. And then again from that point, just curving this line across. Now on the side, we're going to draw this diagonal line coming out. And then from that point, just bringing this line back down and in towards the side. Let's move down now and draw in the torso. So we're going to curve this line down on the left and right hand side. From here, we're just going to be drawing a wavy line as we come all the way across like we did for our neck, and then connecting that in the center. Now on both sides, arching this line around and then in. From that point, curving this line up. And then again, closing this off in the center. Let's move down and draw in the legs now. So we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes down on both sides. For the foot, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Again, let's draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. Now from here, we're going to draw in a zigzag pattern as we come all the way over towards the inside. And then closing off the leg, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up towards the top. Now for the arms, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. We're going to curve this line across. And then starting from that point, we're just going to arch this line around and then in. And then again from the center, curving this line back out. Now as we come over towards the top, we're going to curve this line down. And then from here, we're just going to draw on a diagonal line that comes out. Let's bring this diagonal line in towards our leg for the hand. Now on the inside, we're going to bring a small diagonal line that comes in towards the top. And now from that point, we're just going to curve this back in towards the torso. For the thumb, let's curve this line down and then back up. For our finger, replicating that as we come across. Moving in towards the middle, let's replicate that again. And then again, one more time for the pinky. And that is it. That's how you draw Twisted Bobette from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.